For this week's Tip Tuesday, we will be taking these two plants and making them into a balm cleansing detangler that will leave your strands hydrated, detangled, and ready for the day. So let's get into it. So we're going to begin with a 1/4 cup of Ambunu. Now this comes from the women of Chad who have hip length hair and longer. They use it to gently cleanse and detangle their hair. Next, we'll be adding 3 cups of boiling hot distilled water. Alright, while that starts to cool down, y'all, we're going to go in with our cactus, our prickly pear, our Nepal, our tuna, whatever you want to call it from wherever you're from. We did a video last week in which I blended it, but this week we're going to go in and try it a different way. So of course I'm going to begin first by removing any of the spines by running the knife gently down the cactus, and it will easily remove it. And then I'm going to chop this up into smaller pieces, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. So I'm going to chop up all 3 pads, and once the mixture cools down for about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to add the cactus right into the Ambunu mixture. Y'all, I'm looking for that wonderful, good, jelly thick texture. So continue adding, stir it up some, try to activate those leaves and get that mucilage starting to form. Now I ended up letting this sit overnight, y'all, just because I was really tired when I started filming this. This is about 10 hours later, and y'all, the mucilage is amazing. Look at that slip, y'all. It is giving everything, honey. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and strain that with my milk nut bag. Behave, Nika, behave, girl. Yes, I'm gonna be using this bag to go ahead and strain the mixture. That way I don't get any of the Ambunu leaves or the cactus into the gel. I'm loving how much slip is on my hands as I continue to squeeze out all of the goodness into the bowl. I mean, you guys, just look at the slip. Look at the mucilage. Just look at it. Imagine what that's going to do for your hair. And then, of course, I'm going to transfer this right into a container for ease of use. Yes, I made a lot, but I am going to be using up almost all of it, and I'll be refrigerating anything that I don't use. So unlike most cleansers, because this one contains a lot of water, I'm actually going to apply it to my dry hair. Y'all, look at this madness here. The savior has arrived. So y'all, I just want to let you know that I have been wearing my hair in styles that will allow it to be a little more tangled, so you can really see how this detangler works on my hair. Now again, we're going to focus this directly on the scalp first and foremost, get that in, and then work it down the length of my hair. Y'all, watch the transformation as I go along from my matted hair into my perfectly detangled hair. So fun fact about prickly pear cactus is that the gel mucilage that we see coming from it that's actually aiding in my detangling is actually called a pinka gel. And as we learned last week, this gel is full of vitamins and nutrients and helps to act as an emollient for our hair strands. But another thing that I found very interesting is that it also contains anti-aging properties, so it is great to also be used on your skin as well. It can not only brighten your complexion, but also reduce hyperpigmentation caused by UV damage. And because I could not find too much more information about Pinka Gel, I decided to add some Ambunu to the mixture because Ambunu contains saponins which help to aid in cleansing the hair. It also contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and emollient properties. So Ambunu also adds as a cleansing conditioner for your hair, prevents dry scalp, and lessens hair loss. So this winning combination really provides a nice protective layer. If you notice, my curls are being naturally weighed down by this mixture, and it's adding a nice softness and sheen to my hair. Now I will leave this on for about 1 hour under a plastic bag with some heat. I really want to let this mixture soak into my hair strands, and then I will rinse it out. Okay, you guys. My hair feels absolutely amazing, soft, defined. Y'all, This was a balm treatment. Again, my scalp is clean, no flakes. Definitely try out this detangler. Okay, just a side note, we officially have a challenge winner, which is the Protective Style / Length Retention Challenge. Now y'all look for a video a little later on in the week. I will also push this challenge back 1 week to make sure you guys can get all of the things that you will need for this challenge. So you guys want to make sure that you are subscribed so you do not miss out on the challenge video, okay? If you're curious about some of our previous challenges and the results, check this video link right over here. That's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just